Our today's task is how to enable photo ID verification for the user during the test and how to capture images of the user during the test. To achieve this, first, we will open an online test. First, we will go to its update page. After going to the update page, we will find some options. For example, full screen, capture web image mandatory, we will enable the option, capture web image mandatory. After that, we will also enable the photo ID required option. Then, we have an option, capture images duration. Here, we can change the value to determine after how many seconds we want to capture the image of the student. For now, let's set it to 20 seconds. After updating, we will now log into the test with a student. After logging in, we will start the test from the Students panel. After starting, we can see that we have the first page open, where we have the face verification option. In this, whatever text we have, if we want to update this text, we will simply go to the Admin panel. In the Admin panel, we will search for Static Text Update, and we will open that page. After opening, we have all the static texts in our project. If we want to update them, we can do it from here. For example, if we need to update the Assessment Test Face Verification text, we can do it from here. In the same way, we have an additional feature, Assessment Test Honor Code Instruction. If there is a need to update any text in this section, it can be done from the same place. Similarly, if the full page for student feature in any assessment test is enabled, a specific text will be displayed to the students. This text, which appears as soon as the student's full page is enabled, can also be updated from the Static Text Update section. Thus, within the assessment test, we have the flexibility to enable image verification and image capture options, and to update all related instructional texts as required.